as indicated by our kind of current Ethereum cost expectation. The worth of Ethereum will expanded by 237.13%, coming to $6,477.94 by end of 2025, which sort of is genuinely huge. All specialized markers especially show that the ongoing opinion is bullish, while the trepidation and avarice list is perusing 21.76, and that implies really intense apprehension, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our Ethereum estimate, its purchase Ethereum at this moment. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized investigation markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing in all things considered, general bullish feeling among Ethereum cost forecasts. See the specific Ethereum cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount Ethereum essentially is worth in the next few long stretches of time. Over the most recent 30 days, Ethereum fundamentally has expanded by 6.42%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a kind of slight recuperation in the approaching month, incredibly. Toward the finish of spring, the worth of Ethereum expanded by 115.42% and came to approach around $3,862.12 in a significant manner. Presently, all pointers especially are demonstrating bullish zone, and the trepidation and eagerness list sort of shows 21.76 intense apprehensions. As per our gauge, this especially isn't the ideal opportunity to, in every practical sense, purchase Ethereum in a quite enormous way. Presently, Ethereum is exchanging underneath the 200 essentially straightforward, moving fundamentally normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Ethereum purchasing kind of sign incredibly. The cost of Ethereum is at present running beneath the 50-day certainly basic moving normal, and it shows a purchase signal. As per every specialized pointer, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will hit $1,433.60 toward the finish of December, or so they thought. By December 2023, 2024, Ethereum's transient 50-day SMA basically shows a $1,622.70. The overall strength file energy oscillator is a well-known pointer that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold or overbought. RSI for the most part is Ethereum value expectation 2023 in the principal 7-day stretch of January 2023. Ethereum came to $1,663.75 when it truly dipped under $1,194.56 interestingly since January 2021. In spite of prevalent thinking, as indicated by the financial backers in market trades, Ethereum sort of is headed to passing the $3,931.85 mark before the current year's over, which by and large is very critical. Before $3,931.85, it might break its characteristic of $4,891.70 and reach. As indicated by the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Ethereum will break its past all-time in every practical sense high of $4,891.70 and hold somewhere in the range of $3,827.51 and $3,931.85 soon. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Ethereum is exchanging at $1,792.83, and its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 10.93 B, and it makes number 2 cash in the entire crypto world. Ethereum value expectation 2024. There generally is plausible that Ethereum can get through the $4,559.33 boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024, which is genuinely huge. The least Ethereum cost will truly be between $3,841.09 to $4,559.33, and the most certainly reasonable Ethereum cost will by and large be certainly consistent at around $4,352.93 toward the finish of 2024. Despite Ethereum's wild swings in esteem and the discussion encompassing its naturally antagonistic energy utilization, extremely rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Ethereum will in a real sense reach $4,559.33 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Ethereum value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that ETH will begin the year at $5,279.33 and exchange around $6,477.94, as per their expectations. This would fundamentally be very extremely high contrasted with last year in a huge manner. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. In a quite large manner, Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. There most certainly is a decent opportunity that Ethereum 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it really is likewise in every practical sense conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $8,111.46 level. Ethereum sort of is for the most part anticipated to arrive at an untouched high of $7,945.37 or $8,111.46 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Ethereum. Ethereum Value Expectation 2027. Ethereum Value Forecast, or ETH, will encounter huge development in 2027 as it can possibly accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum's cost truly is supposed to outperform $8,111.46 in 2027, which essentially is genuinely critical. It in a real sense has been anticipated that Ethereum will really arrive at the greatest cost of $8,111.46, and the fundamentally least cost is supposed to for the most part be around $6,893.12 in the following a long time from 2027. Ethereum Estimate 2028. Market examiners and specialists foresee say that Ethereum Value Expectation and Specialized Examination. Ethereum is supposed to cross a value level of $9,342.35 in 2028, or so they thought. In the interim, Ethereum is supposed to arrive at the very least cost of $8,514.76 this year, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. The greatest cost might reach $9,797.69. Ethereum Value Forecast 2029. By the start of 2029, the Ethereum Value Expectation and Specialized Investigation especially anticipate that the expense of Ethereum will basically reach $13,323.85, and the cost of ETH ought to for the most part reach $13,323.85 before the year's over, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. What's more, ETH can in a real sense reach up to $12,090.47 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will generally bring huge years for Ethereum development. ETH Value Expectation 2030. Of every 2030, Ethereum Value Expectation are supposed to cross the $18,378.72 normal cost level, as per Ethereum figure and Specialized Examination in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2030, Ethereum's base cost is supposed to be $17,472.43. Moreover, ETH can generally arrive at a greatest value level of $18,759.07, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Toward the finish of 2030, Ethereum will have a really normal cost of $18,759.07. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. Ethereum Value Forecast 2031. Ethereum cost is assessed to reach $24,644.60 by 2031, at least, with a typical exchanging cost of $25,294.40 all through 2031. Ethereum's worth could really come to $25,768.50 at its most noteworthy. The experts certainly anticipate that the most extreme cost should exchange around $25,200.